Today I'm going to be checking out and demoing this cordless stick vacuum here. Show you what I think about it. It has this nice black and gold colored design. It has a perfect size grip for your hand. I like the nice visible clear view canister. Comes with 2 HEPA filters. This is the way the roller brush looks. It has very nice long bristles. It easily stands up all by itself. This is very lightweight. And to charge it up, you just use the power adapter, plug it in, and it charges very easily. Extends up. Very easy to maneuver. Has these lights right up in front. The ability to just get around tight corners and to get underneath furniture. It's truly astonishing. You can very quickly and easily switch out from using it as a vacuum to a hand duster. And because you can shorten it up like this, it's very easy to use on the stairs. So no more having to lug a big heavy vacuum up and down the stairs. Just need one of these. It has 3 different levels of suction. Just watch how it vacuums up all these spilled coffee grounds. It literally picked up all of it. I find this vacuum right here to have just about as much suction as actually a regular vacuum would. Emptying it is a breeze. Well, if you're looking for a new stick vacuum or just a vacuum in general, I highly do recommend this one. It works absolutely fabulous.